My name is Novita Putri Rahmawati, NIM 202111279, Kelas 2A Manajemen. I'm here to explain about the Capital Market Journal. The Warrants Fund Affect Indonesia Capital Market Liquidity. Abstract. Trading volume liquidity is the perfect complement to returns. Therefore, research regarding volume becomes an essential thing on capital market various factors. Influencing liquidity are bid-ask spreads, interest rates, exchange rates, and forex fund. This study as Amihud liquidity ratio as the proxy for liquidity. The debt is the Indonesian Convergence Index for liquidity and all variable. Daily basis 2060 2090. Divergence in all an even semester with the linear regression model. The results noted that the big X spread decreases trending volume. Exchange rate and interest rate had a positive effect on R. With the greater the dispersion and the greater the interest rates, the lower the liquidity. For 290, the bonus fund has a negative coefficient, which so in such capital market liquidity. In 290, there will be a standing effect on the excess rate. Introduction. On the Indonesian Stock Exchange, the thing sets instead based on price information. This thing sets product a big as branch, with investors considered as one of their investment decision. The width of the big X spirit so the width of the disparity or expectation of investor. If the big X spirit width, it will not just strengthen because the two parties are waiting for each other. Indirect rates and subsistence product for the capital market. Bank Indonesian, Central Bank of Indonesia, has cheaper products as a market benchmark rate. It can be an investment benchmark with a leaks financial system. It will be easy to move fund from the capital market to the money market. First, soon that investors have active investment. On a daily, the strength of Jibor is the smile. Curtain positive rather it can be as the competition for the risk of fluctuation in the capital market. This about data summary so. Leading parts of the Indonesia capital market and several variables. It exactly the research trending volume because the volume has a significant contribution to the market. The second, an interesting factor about forex phenomena and exchange rate and interaction among the variables. I purpose the interaction between forex country and exchange rate as an important variable to expand trending volume. Literature review. This fading evidence that forex investor and not candidate for the capital market as expected. Faber and Yen 2007 examined the effects of forex on trading volatility. When forex influences possibility affect the volume. In this case, if a local investor sells, the forex now would buy. This local investor will cause forex brokers with a higher return the forex investor. In this case, this forex insurance can be expanded to event. The results on the stock market return affect the excess rate move at both periods. The oracle in opinion, this is not appropriate when the flow of vacancy fund that the extends enters the stock market. A little research about the effect of which as of trending volume, research interests show the opposite situation, namely the effect of trending volume on the PIX spreads. The results noted the negative effect to trending volume on the PIX spreads and Sarewong, Prague and Gracia 211. This means that the Higgs trending volume, HTV, the smaller the information asymmetry. The smaller the big aspect. Research method. That trailing to liquidity used the Indonesia Composite Index. The research divided the analysis into 2 semesters for a economic coincidence time plus so that ratio can be compared. This study as the Amihot liquidity ratio for each transaction that in billion Indonesia rupiah are so in net forex transaction when the positive value indicates the forex volume is greater than the selling and is shown the transaction volume is higher but not nevertheless to change its returns. Thus the R will be smaller, the higher the excess rate, the greater the weakening of the rupiah. The impact to the stock market is not only checks in negative like returns, but also followed by transaction. A third is the expected debt charge in returns, and generally the change in transaction, thus the higher R. The Jakarta effect overrides JIBOR is proxy from the interest rate. Interest rate is substitution for stock price. Thus, the higher to interest rate, the lower the stock price. With invitages, the stock is absolute returns to be higher. It means that interest later have a positive effect on the liquidity ratio R. Result and discussion. A status is part method. Research compares semester 1 and 2 to now analyze that change. Secondly, they should use recognition ratio to unware where the charge. Variable effects trending volume, especially in interaction among foreign fund and exchange rates. The influence of the change variable on trending volumes takes both a table on semester and table to even semester. The big as bring confidence and positive and most and significant expert for 270. All semester and proxy liquidity value volume frequency and confidence is negative and significant. The positive confidence indicates that the fixed expert interest are interested or trending activity choices XS rate have a positive and significant consequence. Expect for 290 all semester from the proxy of value are well for the even semester that will also more positive position by the word not significant. The negative coefficient of the chance rate would form a serial yet, but word not significant. Thus, in general, the excess rate has a positive effect on R. Devaluation will cause transaction to this. This situation meant that the rupiah depreciation does not encourage foreign to change transaction. Conquering foreign influence. There is the chance in the confidence sinks in 260 to 270, positive confidence in 280. If just capital market are to become more liquid, this situation can be interpreted as good news, but it can also be interpreted as bad news is good news views. It saw the Higgs trending volume HTV, but new because Forex is a signal market. It makes the capital market more vulnerable to global issues. Its ratio is contract with Ray and Wang 2009 reset over 10 years ago, especially 2090 becomes negative. It's meant the last years 2090. The forex inflow followed by inserters in transaction. Discussion. The winner, the big ads, speak show the animatrix information for parties. Unique knowledge exception. This situation show that both parties are working. Sunday tend to reduce transaction both regarding volume and frequency. It's shown that information flow is not yet smooth and partners now investment market situation. It causes capital market oil to become more liquid. This situation can be interpreted as good news, but it can also inspire and bad news. It's good news because it's not at this trending volume HTV, but news become florid is a signal market. It makes the capital market more variable to global issue. It resumed its contracts with Sri and Wang 2009, reset over 10 years ago. Conclusion. The record of the study period, several portions of instrument liquids, which acts spared is a reduced trending strategy. It means that the Higgs big arch springs become enormous succession cause unique that cannot convex. However, it's also not recommended to change the big space. Considering that the big axe press the average group share is very slow. Around a maximum of institution investor around the big axe spread best rather the accessors of the bridge itself. Thus, it is of common to the relevant sex shoulder the importance of maintaining the access rate. For the capital market, in net to be activated aboard the IMEX to charge its charge rates. For example, applying to lower limit out rejection. So that no strap decision arch. Raising interest later become a substitute for the capital market. This the interest rate policy can be sent by investor and alternative investment. Fluoride is the indicator of destruction in the capital market. For that reason, it is necessary to ward off the flow or legs and not for force one. Together with the express rate, the checks in the exchange rate and forward fund greatly affect the capital market. Liquidity ratio of the annuity using the contents of arbitrator. In this case, if both negative returns and positive return cannot be disclosed, also if the value of the ratio is large, then it's caused by a large change in stratum and on or by a hit trending volume. It can be a context for research. Thank you. On the Indonesian Stock Exchange, the stick size is set based on price enterprise. The stick size product a big S spread, which investor considers as one of their investment decision. The width of the big X spread shows the width of the disparity or expectation of investor. If the big X spread will not cause transaction because the two parties are waiting for each other. From the description above, several policy implications can be taken, namely 1. Big H spirits need not be managed. 2. Government needs to manage the exchange rate. 3. The interest rate is a policy that affects the capital market. 4. Forex fund in an oil from the capital market, so it's much exhibited by regulator in there are checks in select number. This stock is very detrimental to investor because it's become a residual record of the value of each investment. From this reason, Liquidity is the integral part of the progress of the capital market and especially for investors. Search with his trending volume, HTV, are now in the LT55 contribution around 70% on the market and become an indicator from the movement of Indonesia sales. This trend volume is the pile of the price, even amount of the profit that we obtain from investor can be slowed by change in price. Time with but more rates return based on dollar. AFR is a essential complex because if they slow the real return obtainable by interest. In the chart, the determinant of return comes from to this one, the nominal return of assets, and two, excess rate change. The second source is the nominal source, where the return get the change quickly. The second source can make nominal return checks fairly at the index of research. However, if the treasury changes primarily depression, sparkly is caused physiological events, charge panic, and charge panic selling in the capital market. That's my explanation about the capital market journal. Thank you.